YouTube, it's dirname45 here with a video I'm bringing to you on Minecraft, how to make a server. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need to do is click on the link in the description for the Bukkit Server download. Alright, now you download that, and once you have that, you'll put it to your desktop, make a new folder, drag it in. I made the server folder called server 1. I already have a server up here. Most of the things that I'm doing right now won't work. Alright, so then you're going to go to another link in the description. You can use TextEdit, but it didn't work for me. It could work for you. And then you can, I use TextWrangler, much better than TextEdit, to me. My opinion, I don't really care about anybody else's. Okay, so now once you have TextWrangler, or open up that blah blah blah, you'll make a new one, and then what you want to do is copy this. It'll also be in the description. Just copy that. It'll be under TextEdit. So once you copy that, you'll put it in TextWrangler or whatever, and then you'll save it. You'll save that to your desktop, and then you'll also drag that into server 1. So, hold on. What the heck? Oh well. So, once you have craftbukkit.jar, well, you'll need to rename craftbukkit, because it'll be named craftbukkit with a whole bunch of numbers. You'll click on that, and you'll just keep the .jar, but unname it to just craftbukkit.jar. I have craftbukkit1.jar because I already have craftbukkit in this server file. Okay, so once you have that, you'll go to Spotlight, you'll search terminal, you'll click on terminal, and there will be another thing in the description for you to add into terminal. You'll need to copy and paste chmod space A+X. Now after you do that, you'll just copy it. Oops, oh well. Copy that here and paste. After A+X, you'll do another space and drag in the server.command. Now you'll need to rename that server.command, or else it will not work. It needs to work with terminal. So rename the server.text or whatever to server.command, and then press enter, and then it won't do anything. It'll act like a normal terminal command, and then after that it should work. So you click on that, and then it'll run all this. It can't run it because I have another server over here. Once you run it, you should get all of this right here. Now, to put in your IP address, and I'm sorry, but you're gonna have to have Hamachi. I'll put a link in the description for Hamachi if you don't already have it. You'll put your server IP in there, and if you want to play with your friends or something, blah 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 blah, you're gonna have to tell them to get their Hamachi thing in your network. You'll have to go to Hamachi, click network, and then create a new network. I'll go ahead and just be like Billy Bob's network, and then you'll put in a password for blah 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 blah, and then so you'll have that made. And the free version of Hamachi will only let you have 5 players per server that you have. You can create more than one server, and they'll all go into the server. You can't make more than one server, so just remember that. Okay, so once you get all this, you'll want to make yourself the admin what that does is lets you kick people, ban people, blah 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 that you don't want in there. So you'll click on the OPS text right there. It should be under like banned IPs, and you'll put your username in there or your friends, anybody you want to be an admin. I recommend just yours because you don't want your friends kicking you, because that's kind of stupid. Okay, so whenever you're in server properties, you can change all your things. You can allow the flight. It doesn't really work, but there's a plugin for that. You can allow flight. I have chmod.jar. Chmod allows you to have the commands like /home or /set home, /set spawn, /spawn, all that, you know. And that's really helpful. It doesn't automatically give you any of the commands that you need. So after you have that, you just start up the start.command, and it'll start up with your server IP address. I'll go ahead and show you mine. Takes a while for the start.command to open up, but I'll go ahead and show you what you need to do. Okay, look, see, it's done. You need to go to multiplayer, click add server. You'll name it whatever you want, blah 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 blah. You'll put in the server IP. I don't know any of them, so you just put in the server address, and then it'll have green bars if it worked. I'll just go to my server that's on this, and see, totally works. And say home. I already set a home. I don't really have a house yet, but thanks for watching. Be sure to comment, rate, subscribe. Be sure to thumbs up. Thumbs up. It's not really funny. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Gonna have tons more videos coming out soon.